Okay, so when we solve this trigonometrical equation, you notice here the one that isn't squared we can't change. So we can't change cot theta, but we can change cosec squared theta. So remember then, if you can't remember the results, just go back to sine squared plus cos squared is 1. Because I want to replace the cosec squared theta, okay, just need to appreciate that cosec, yeah, is 1 over sine. So to get cosec squared theta, I need to divide by sine squared, okay, and if I divide everything by sine squared, well, I'll have sine squared over sine squared, which is 1. Now, cos squared over sine squared, okay, is like the reciprocal of sine squared over cos squared. So sine squared over cos squared is tan, so that means cos squared over sine squared is cot. And then 1 over sine squared is cosec squared theta. Okay, so then I've got a replacement for it, so I can write then 4 cosec squared theta is 1 plus cot squared theta. So 9 minus 8 cot theta. So multiply out 4 plus 4 cot squared theta equals to 9 minus 8 cot theta. So then I get 4 cot squared theta plus 8 cot theta if I get everything to the right, to the left hand side, and then I got take the 9 over, so it becomes minus 5 equals 0. So again, we've got to factorize this, so we put 4 cot theta using our method in both brackets. So we need to get two numbers that multiply to give, what's that, can be minus 20, and add up to give 8. So what about 10 and 2? And if we make that positive 10 and negative 2, that will multiply to give minus 20 and add up to give plus 8. So plus 10 minus 2. Don't forget then to divide by 4. So in this case, first bracket you can divide by 2, so you get 2 cot theta plus 5. And the second bracket you can divide by 2, so you get 2 cot theta minus 1 equals 0. So then, either bracket 0, so 2 cot theta plus 5 is equal to 0, or 2 cot theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So cot theta is equal to minus 5 over 2, or cot theta equals to 1/2. Now remember, cot theta is just 1 over tan. Okay. So you can then flip this to get tan. You've got to flip this as well then, so you get minus 2 over 5, and it's the same here. Flip that, so then you've got to flip this to get 2 over 1, which is just 2. So in this case then, theta would be, if I do tan to the minus 1 of minus 2 over 5, and I get minus 21.8. If I do the same then over here, tan to the minus 1 of 2, theta will be 63.4. Okay, so we need to draw our tan graph. So we need to go to minus 90 again. First I'll do 2 centimeters this time to represent 90. Okay, so remember then that we've got a asymptote of 90, 270 minus 90. So there's my 360, 270, 180, 90, 0, and minus 90 there. So the first result here I got minus 21.8, okay, which is about there. So then you can see the other results, so it would be 180 then. It's because this is minus 21.8. It'll be 180 take away 21.8. And of course here as well, so going back from 360, 360 take away minus 21.8, so I get 158.2 and 338.2. Okay, now of course the minus 21.8, well, we'll ignore that because it's outside of our range. 63.4 then, well, that's going to be here. So there's 63.4, so we've got another result there. So you could see then that's going to be 180 plus 63.4. Okay, so there's one set of results there, and then there's the other set to go with it. So we've got a complete set of results there.